to the statistics. In this class, we are going to discuss some important questions in this. So, in this chapter, important questions that is, let x1, x2, x3, and so on xn be a random sample of normal population and estimate mu and sigma square by the method of movements. Write maximum likelihood method of estimation and its properties. Obtain the maximum likelihood estimate for the parameter theta based on the sample size n from exponential distribution. This is very important question from the previous examination. So these are all the old previous question papers. Okay, let's see some more questions. Next, in short questions, what is Neyman Pearson lemma says? Okay, what is the Neyman Pearson lemma? Next, distinguish between the randomized and non-randomized test functions. Next, define null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Okay, precautions to be made in framing the null and alternative hypothesis relevant to the experiment. Write the test procedure for testing any statistical hypothesis. Define order statistics. Write its minimum and maximum order statistics distribution. Write the formula for standard errors for sample mean, sample median, sample variance, sample proportion. Next, a drug was administered to 10 patients and the increase of their blood pressure were recorded to be 6, 3, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 4, 6, 0, 0, 2. Is reasonable to believe that the drug has no effect on change of blood pressure. Assume that critical values as a level as 1.65. Next, write test statistic to test the significance of correlation coefficient and explain. Next, write the conditions for variability of chi-square test. Define nominal measurement of scale, which non-parametric tests can be used for nominal data and state its conditions. Write the role of central limit theorem in non-parametrical tests. Write the advantages of non-parametrical tests over parametrical tests. Let's see some long questions. Very important. Let x1, x2, x3 and so on xn be a random sample of size n drawn from a exponential with the parameter theta. Then obtain the most powerful test of size of alpha for testing h0 theta is equals to theta naught versus h1 theta is equals to theta 1. Obtain the power function of the test or the power of test. Next, 13b. Let x1, x2, x3 and so on be xn be a random sample of size n drawn from Poisson distribution for testing. Lambda is equals to lambda naught h1. Lambda is equals to lambda 1 if exists. Obtain the parameter, the most powerful test for the parameter lambda. Yes. 14a. Write the test procedure for test statistics for testing the differences of means and standard deviations of the population. size is large by stating the conditions. Stating the testing procedure for testing the mean and variance of a population with a specified value based on the sample size n equals to 40. Yeah, here are some more questions in this test statistics are testing the hypothesis. Yeah, you can see 15b I am giving you. State the assumptions of test statistics for chi-square test for independency of attributes and goodness of fit, and give some examples. Here are given some questions 16a, 16b, and 15a and 15b. Okay, very important questions you can see. Thank you.